In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grok 4 for free. If you're new to Grok or looking to explore its features without any cost, you're in the right place. Let's get started and dive into each step to unlock this powerful tool. First, we'll begin our journey by heading over to Google. Fire up your browser and direct yourself to the Google homepage. This is our starting point for accessing Grok. Once you're there, you'll need to type Grok into the search bar. It's important to make sure you're typing it accurately so that we reach the correct platform. After entering Grok, go ahead and hit the search button or press enter. As search results populate, look for the official Grok website. It should be among the top results. Click on the link to navigate to Grok's homepage. You're now entering the realm of Grok, where you can start exploring its capabilities. Once you've landed on the Grok website, the next step is to create a prompt. Now, for this tutorial, let's use social media and mental health as our topic. You can be as detailed as you want with your prompt. The more context and information you provide, the richer your results can be. This is your opportunity to tailor the prompt to your specific needs and interests, so don't hold back on the details. After crafting your prompt, it's time to submit it. You should see a submit button available on the page. Simply click on it. This action will initiate Grok's process of generating responses based on the information you've provided. It's pretty straightforward, and from here, Grok will do its magic, leveraging its capabilities to produce insightful outputs. By following these steps, you're able to experience what Grok 4 has to offer without any cost. Remember, each interaction with Grok can be unique depending on how you shape your prompts, so experiment and see what works best for you. Grok's potential is vast, covering various topics and interests, providing you a broad spectrum to explore. We hope this guide has made it easy for you to start using Grok 4. Whether you're here for research, professional needs, or just exploring something new, Grok can be a valuable tool in your digital toolkit. Thank you for joining me today. Stay curious, keep exploring, and I'll see you in the next video.